After long-term waiting, the new Ulefone Armor 7E global pre-sale is finally coming. This model targets the middle-range segment and received quite positive feedback due to attractive pricing, space, and good durability. Ulefone is popularly known as their Ulefone, especially the Ulefone Armor series, which is well received across the globe. In order to further improve the Armor lineup, the company is on the verge to launch the new Rugged smartphone Armor 7E. This Armor Rugged phone helps to remain connected with your loved ones if you are on some adventure trip. Ulefone Armor 7E offers enhanced specifications and features, including a triple rear camera setup consisting of 48 megapixel primary and other 2 megapixel sensors. This setup is more than enough to take ultra clear and detailed photos in a super high resolution with the help of AI algorithms. A 60 megapixel front shooter is present on the front to capture selfies and do video calling. It comes powered with the latest Helio P19 processor, offering more powerful efficiency, powerful performance, and AI processing. The smartphone comes equipped with 4GB of RAM, 128GB of internal storage, and can be expanded in 2TB via FTF cards. There are 6.3-inch waterproof display and 5500 battery with QI 10 watts wireless charging is present on the board to keep the device running for longer periods. On the sensors front, the device contains a heart rate sensor, NFC, Google Play, and other necessary equipment. The Ulefone Armor 7E runs Android 9 Pie. It is an IP68, IP69 CAPE certificate device and can sustain accidental splashes and rugged environments easily. Armor 7E global pre-sale on Banggood it start. For the first 200 buyers, there will be only a super discounted price of $199, and some of them will have an extra chance to get a free protected case. And for the next 500 buyers, the pre-sale price will increase to $219, so we suggest that if you are interested in the Armor 7A, hurry up and grab one. Discounts will expire on May 3rd. For more details for their pre-sale, please visit the event page. For those who are looking for the nice phone, or for those who just want to try their luck, you can join giveaway 5 units Ulefone Armor 7A on its official website to win one. The links are below in the description and in the comments below the video. Thanks for being with us. Share your more available opinion and feedback in the comment section down below. Good luck to all. Stay tuned for the further updates in upcoming videos. Bye.